Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google AI Studio not working. So first of all, if your Google AI Studio is not working, you're going to have to close your Chrome and maybe start with Brave. If you have other browser like Microsoft Edge, you may go ahead, open that, and simply search for Google AI Studio, get logged into your account, and try it from there. Next thing you could try is opening a incognito tab and also type in or search for aistudio.google.com and see if it fixes your problem when you use incognito tab. Now, other thing you could try is selecting this three dot icon, scroll all the way below, select settings. From your left hand side, select privacy and data security. Here, go for delete browsing data. And all you have to do is delete the browsing history, either from last 15 minutes if you have been using maybe AI Studio for the last 15 minutes. And once you have done that, again, select security and privacy. Here, go for third-party cookies, select see all site data and permissions. Here, search for Google AI Studio. So type in AI Studio, and all you have to do is clear the browser if you find any AI Studio. For example, if this is your AI Studio application, select the bin icon and delete it. As you do that, you will get logged out from your AI Studio. Log back in again, and it will definitely fix your problem. Thank you for watching.